Actually, when I was in place two, once I too don't know that I get that recognition. When I was in place two, some of the people, we don't know who are those. They came to our home. While they came, we all, my father, my mother, my brother, we all are doing involved in our art. We are doing our paintings. So they came and they have seen all our works, and after 1 month later, they have called my father and they said that they are giving a award to me, from their organization. There is a Delhi Craft Council. So they have seen my work and they given me award of Kamala Devi Puraskar with their organization. So I felt much happy when I was in plus two only, that I got a recognition with a great organization which they are continuously promoting all the crafts and handlooms from all over India. So as an artist, I got recognition in when I was in plus two, ma'am. Yeah, because people think that nowadays, people thinking that the softwares and everything is a very easy money, simply sitting on laptop, like they are getting good amount of in a corporate level like that. So actually my brother also went for he has finished his bachelor's and master's in the electronics only. He went for job, and there are a lot of thousands of people who do that corporate level jobs, but we are the only one family who are continuing this 500-600 years legacy. So me and my brother, we fixed that we should not leave our work and we should continue our work, our art only. So like that, we are fixed, ma'am. Actually, generally, because a lot of people are leaving their hand works, not only the painting, there are a lot of occupational works are there. So they are leaving their works and they are going for different jobs itself. But as we are doing our occupational work, our family work, it's very great, and it's, first of all, I feel blessed that I am in this family art, doing this art. So this is the reason I continuing our art, ma'am. Yeah, actually, what happened means, I have not seen my grandfather, but as my father explaining about his works and his how he has struggled during the paintings when he was there, because my grandfather, when he was doing this art, everyone left this painting. Only he is the one person who continued our paintings, and he used to have only 6 months of work, and 6 months he used to sit simply, means if there is no commission works, he can't afford to do a new painting, because of the without an order he don't know which story to do, because of whether it may be sell or it won't sell. So my father, when he explained me about my grandfather, how he has struggled and how he continued our work, and later from him, my father, how he took our art to his hands, and how he promoted in a commercial way, from coming to the urban areas, to the metropolitan cities, traveling with our art. So they both are my inspirational, ma'am, my grandfather and my father, Mr. Venkat Ramaya and Ms. D. Vaikuntham. Say, because with them only I have learned this art, and without their effort, this art won't be now it continued. So they are both inspirational for me, ma'am. Yes. So basically, ma'am, till my father, he has done paintings on cloth only, but as a present situation, people have a lot of paintings for their house walls, because in India we have a lot of traditional paintings. So we as we are seeing in the present market, it should be a utility product, so that we have come with the different mediums, like wooden boxes, trays, and the tea coasters, like that. So we have changed some medium actually, which will be useful for the people, and there will be art promoting will be and it will be useful for the client also. So we started doing on the wall plates also, some masks. So easily, because generally people say handicraft and painting will be somewhat more costly, but we started doing it. It should be affordable for the middle class people also. So we started doing on the wooden trays and the wooden boxes. Generally, present in marriage, during the marriages, people used to give the return gifts. So they are giving our wooden boxes only. We are representing the Cherial painting on wooden boxes, and it's a utility product. They are keeping some bangles or some any other gifts in that wooden box, and they are giving their relation people. So like that, we have changed some mediums, ma'am. So like that, it will be great market for our paintings, and it will be useful for the client also. Lot of, yeah, there are lot of themes, means these all themes, each and every theme depicts one narrating story, ma'am. Without any concept there won't be any story. So we do generally lot of Rama story and Krishna's themes, like that, because I like actually Krishna stories. Why? Because Krishna is a always a happy smile. If we see anything about the Krishna, when we see the story of anything Krishna, it's happiness will be in that Krishna stories. So generally I love to do lot of Krishna stories I depict, because when we see Krishna itself, we get happiness in our mind, in mood also. So that's why I feel to do lot of Krishna paintings, ma'am. Cherial's favorite style means each one have some different style, ma'am. Because my father, he handling of my brush, my father will be somewhat different, because he is a 45 years experienced person, and I am just for 10-12 years experienced person. So each one have some unique stylization will be, so that we can easily identify as a artist. uh, so there in our family we are four people, so each one have the individual stylization of work, ma'am. But the viewer, he can't easily identify the stylization, ma'am. But as an artist, we can easily say that whose work is this. Depend, because my father work, the experience speaks a lot actually. His brush strokes and his lining, it will be totally different from us actually. To get an audience for our art is not easy, ma'am, because first of all the people who viewer who is seeing, who is want to know about our art, first of all he need to know the importance of our painting. Basically he need to know the history and the importance of our art. It's just a decorative piece. That is not our the Cherial painting depicts actually, not a decorative piece. Our art is a importance of the story behind is, there is an history actually. Each and every painting which we do, there is an history of each and every character. So generally we say about the importance of art for the viewer, so that he can know the importance, then he connects to our art. But from Government of India Handicraft Department, they give us opportunity to exhibit our works in different metro cities. So we travel all over India, all Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, like Chennai and Hyderabad, Calcutta. So generally we used to go for the exhibitions which conducts from the Handicraft Department of Indian central government. So we exhibit our works, and people, generally the art lovers comes there and they buys our art, ma'am. Yeah, we don't have any dedicated art gallery like Cherial Art, ma'am. Means some private people, collectors are there, art collectors. So they buys our art like that. Art fairs means presently in India we have only in Delhi art fair will be, ma'am. So it's for the contemporary modern artists. So my aim was to take our art to that art fair actually. Actually every year they, in the Delhi from 50 countries, artisans will participate in the Indian art fair. So I'm Actually, I am preparing for that to get a good artwork to exhibit in that art fair. So that's what I am planning to do, ma'am. Actually, in Delhi, we have a Delhi Art is a Delhi Art is an place. It's in Delhi. So in that, all the national awardees from the India will come there and they exhibit their works. So in Delhi, we have a great market, ma'am, because we get lot of good art lovers, art customers in Delhi Art. So we will get good market in Delhi Art, ma'am. In Hyderabad also, we have a craft council of Telangana. They give us a chance to exhibit our artworks in their city spaces, in their building. So we have good market in there also. We have some organizations, ma'am, NGOs. They encourage our art actually.